This episode contains severe, censored language, violence, and sexual content that may not be suitable for children under 18. Do not try at home. Hi guy, welcome to Battle for Super Jail Place Island. I'm Speakbox. And at Island Canal, the challenged is game. It's time for the first season begin. And the team is losing, but going to be elimination time. Okay, all the teams meet the characters. Huh? I'm so bossy, and I know love phone. Ahaha, I've been with my 2 friends. I'm so worried because this elimination time, I don't want to get eliminated. What did your team tell you, saying it? What did your team tell you, saying it? You saying told your team. We'll be starting this show. Who winning from the prize is Super Jail, for new work and the 5-star. Maybe the big dollar and going to be fast food or restaurants, robot servants. And the winning even a decision, last place to lose. And the first challenge the racing of the boat, 20 miles at the Island Canal. And who 3 teams will be winning, and last place will be up for elimination. We need to make a boat from the racers. Go! Hey guy, we're so fucking building the boat too. We now make a boat with me or sometime else. Okay, calm down. Let's build a boat in color teal. You need to make a boat with this team. You need to make a boat with this team. You are going to be building with the boat right now. Ow! Be more careful with the hammer. Ooh! We will be a new projection boat, which was Kriya's ship.
One hour later.
It's time for we will be going to be pool party. It's time for we will be going to be pool party. Huh? What's wrong with you? Our fucking pink ponies just punched Jailbot 2.0. Run! Hey Sticks Dischange. You can look at the winning. What's up? Look out. You are winning from Team Season 1, and Team Season 4 will be safe. Holy shit? How dare you are winning at both teams. Hey guy, I'm Super Bar. Good riddance, Team Season 3. You are such losers. Yippee! We win from the racing of the boat. Team Season 2 will be safe from 3rd place as the boat. Team Season 3 has been lose race due to up for elimination.
Meanwhile.
Ow, I'm still alive. I kinda think my teams died except me. Vote in the comments using the letter in square brackets under who deserves to be eliminated. Whoever gets the most votes will be the first to leave the show. She is too creepy because she was smiling while punching 2 people on my cruise ship.